to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of DiDi Global Inc. with the ticker symbol DIDI. And today the stock is up about 13%, trading at $2.53. DiDi Global Inc. operates a mobility technology platform that provides ride-hailing and other services in the People's Republic of China, Brazil, Mexico, and internationally. It offers ride-hailing, taxi-hailing, chauffeur, hitch, and other forms of shared mobility services, auto solutions comprising leasing, refueling, and maintenance and repair services, electric vehicle leasing services, and bike and e-bike sharing, intra-city freight, food delivery, and financial services. The company was formerly known as Xiaoju Kuaizhi Inc. and changed its name to DiDi Global Inc. in June 2021. DiDi Global Inc. was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Beijing, China. So there's quite a bit of PR that's coming out regarding DiDi Global. So the first is that it seems like the Chinese People's Republic of China's government is easing its iron fist on tech companies, and that is a very good sign for companies like DiDi Global that are not only based in China but have a global reach. So that is a very positive sign from the Chinese government amidst the global economic slowdown. So it makes Chinese companies more palatable, more attractive for investors. So a good move on the part of the government of the People's Republic of China. Secondly, DiDi is in discussion to acquire a stake in Sinomark Automobiles EV division for $150 million, and that also came out today. So DiDi is discussing with the EV division of Sinomark Automobile, and they are trying to get a stake in that division for $150 million. And those are the two main things that we can talk about today. And just for a general scope, full-time employees with DiDi Global is 24,396. Furthermore, you guys can see on your screens that the volume today stands at 121 million shares that exchange hands, compared to an average volume of 67 million shares. So a lot of action concerning the price of DiDi Global and the shares that have exchanged hands. Market capitalization for this company is at $12.3 billion, and that is quite impressive, even though the stock price of DiDi Global has dropped over the past year. 52-week range for this stock. Let me pull it out here. You can see how the graph looks. It has really declined by quite a bit. So I think many of the stocks are starting to see some kind of recovery. I might be jumping the gun here, but I think we're seeing signs that, especially with certain segments of the economy, pharmaceuticals and also some tech companies are starting to buck the trend, and one of those is DiDi Global. And you can see that the 52-week range is from $1.37 all the way up to $18. And for the past 6 months, or past 1 year actually, you guys can see the graph how the stock just slowly and painfully declined. But starting about, I would say, March, you see that the volume of shares in DiDi Global has been shares traded has increased, and it continues with that trend. So I think people are loading up on some of these very popular tech stocks. Anyways, that's what I had to share with you guys, that DiDi Global is up today 13.16%, trading at $2.53. On a day when Wall Street, the major indices on Wall Street are all down, with the S&P 500 down 1.04%, Dow 30 down 0.83%, Nasdaq down 0.66%, and the Russell 2000 down 1.76%. Crude oil continues with its upward trend, trading at $122 a barrel. Thank you for your time. On your way out, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Each and every new subscriber to the channel takes us closer to our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the midterms in November. Bye now.